Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today in this video I will show you how to fix enable to verify security response error in iOS 16.4.1. First of all, subscribe to my YouTube channel and press the bell icon to get new tech videos. Now let's start the video. Solution 1. Enable and disable airplane mode. Open the setting app on your iPhone. On the setting page, enable airplane mode, then wait for few seconds and disable it. Solution number 2. Reset network setting. Open the setting app on your iPhone. On the setting page, scroll down, tap General. On the General page, scroll down, tap Transfer Reset iPhone, tap Reset, tap Reset Network Setting, enter your phone passcode. Again reset network setting in the pop-up video to confirm this action. Solution number 3. Check for software update. Open the setting app on your iPhone. On the setting page, scroll down, tap General. On the General page, tap Software Update. Software update is available. Tap Download and install to upgrade the iOS. Solution number 4. Reboot your iPhone. Open the setting app on your iPhone. On the setting page, scroll down, tap General. On the General page, scroll down, tap Shutdown. Now slider to power off, slider to turn off your device. Then wait for few seconds and turn on back. Enter your phone passcode. Thanks for watching this video.